Hi guys, Beth here. So today I am doing my finale for 50 Shades of Purple. This was a project pan that is part of the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group collabs. It was created by Jessica Lee, Amanda D, and Cece. And I'll have them linked down below on a spreadsheet along with all the other people participating in this project pan. But yeah, the finale was supposed to be on the 15th. I am about a week late, you guys. I'm so sorry about that. I just didn't have space and time to get anything done this week, but work my normal, job. So yeah, so here I am trying to get this, filmed real quick. Hopefully it's all understandable. So last month I updated you guys. I was at 36 items completed, and it's 50 items. So I'm going to show you what I used up in the last month, and then I'll show you what I worked on, and that will be it, you guys. I did put up on the 15th my 50 Shades of Green, and I had pre-filmed that like 3 weeks in advance, so there was no way it was going to be late. I should have done, well, I didn't want to pre-film this one because then I wouldn't have gotten all the use that I could have gotten. Okay, well, let's get into it. The first item is the Clinique Smart Clinical Repair. This is like an eye cream. It says use it around your eye area. I use this completely up, so that makes me at 37 items done. The next item was something that was in the project, and then it was taken out because I couldn't find it, and then I put it back in. And these are some wipes by the Cream Shop, and these are the Choco Cat wipes. What happened is Mila loves to grab my stuff that is cute, and she'll put it over on her little nightstand, and I won't see it for months. And that's what happened with these wipes here. They were okay. They did dry out, and what I ended up doing was just kind of wetting them and then using them on my face after they had dried up. I think I had like 3 dried up ones left in here. But yeah, this is the packaging. It's made in Korea, and they used coconut oil to soften the skin, it says, and it's a limited edition packaging. It's so cute, you guys. Okay, so that puts me at 38. And then for empty number 39 is this Clinique Smart Clinical Multi-Dimensional Age Transformer, and it was like a little mini moisturizer that I had. I completely used that up. I also used up a Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss. I took the stopper out of it. There's nothing left in there. Just a little bit of glitter on the sides, but it's completely done. I'm so excited to have another lippy out. I'm like, yay! I think so far of what I've shown in my videos, maybe this is my second lippy. I think I finished a lip mask earlier this year. So there's that. And then I am calling this one done because it is not coating my primer, my mascara primer anymore. It is the Maybelline Snapscara. I've been working on this for like over a year, you guys. It started out in the beginning of the project, lasted, until I stopped using it recently. And yeah, so I'm calling this done. I don't think there's... whatever's in there, it's like really just thick and dry, and it's not really coming onto my eyelashes nicely. So it's done. That is it for the empties. So I got from 36, I went to 37, 38, 39, 40. And that was it. So I was 10 off from hitting goal. I wanted to... I don't know. I got so close with, actually, let me show you the other two. They're lippies. This NYC Gramercy Park, I think that's what it's called. My goal was just to level it. And if you look, I mean, it's pretty level, I think. I still see just a little bit sticking out there. So I would call that almost done. Like just leveling the tip off. That was my goal for this one. And then the other one that got really close was this one here. It's a Wet n Wild Mauve Outta Here lipstick. I think I needed one more use on it. Okay, so I got to 8 uses by the 15th, And then I used it once after the 15th, so I got to 9 uses, and my goal was 10 uses. So it's minus 1 use, but 1 use after the date. So there it is. It's a really pretty pink color, not everyday kind of pink for me though, because on me it looks kind of like a Barbie pink because I'm so tan. But yeah, so there is this lippy that was very close. Then I have this base coat by Oraly that I put in later in the project. I probably used it once or twice and since the last update. This line is from the last update, so I can't make a new progress line on it. And I had these like stick-on press-on nails the last week, and my nails are kind of ruined right now, or else I would put this on and paint my nails. I did get good use out of this lip gloss, and if I look through it, you see window from here to here, but it was laying on its side right now. So I'm about this much, and then there's a little bit of product up on the side. So once I take the stopper out, that might be a good month or 2 left in this little lip gloss from Ulta in Berry. So, but I really did enjoy this. That is it, you guys. I kind of sucked at this. I had all these nail polishes that I didn't hit goal on, and they ruined my project polish pretty much, because now I'm super behind on that one because I've been trying to use up these ones. And yeah, I have this Wet n Wild, not Wet n Wild, ColourPop Birthday Wish. I hardly used at all. I don't know how many times did I use it. ColourPop Wild. I don't see it. I know it's in here somewhere. I don't know, you guys, but my goal was to hit pan. I didn't get close to hitting pan. Oh, and it's like so dry, you guys. It's just like the pan fell out. Okay, well, there's that. Okay, and then I did use my Urban Decay a little bit in my inner corner, but there's nothing to show, no progress. You really can't tell that I used it. And I think I used this tooth whitening thing like once more. So maybe it's about right here. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know. Hopefully I'll do better in the 50 Shades of Green, but I do think 40 products out of 50 is pretty darn good. I'm so excited to put this stuff away that's still left and just focus on the 50 Shades of Green now. So thank you so much for watching again. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.